Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up Apple Pay for kids. All right, so let's begin with the video. If you want to set up Apple Pay for your kids, you first need to add them to family sharing on your iPhone. This allows you to manage your child's account and control features like payments and Apple Cash. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. At the top of the screen, tap your name to open your Apple ID settings. From there, select Family. Inside this section, tap the Add Family Member icon, usually located in the top right corner. Then choose the option to Create a Child Account. You'll need to enter your child's information, such as their name and birth date, and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you complete these steps, your child's account will appear in your family sharing group. After adding your child, you can set up Apple Cash for them. Open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone and tap the Cash card. From there, select Set up Apple Cash and tap Continue. You may be asked to verify your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Once verified, follow the prompts to complete the setup. After Apple Cash is activated, you will be able to send money to your child, allow them to make purchases using Apple Pay, and monitor their transactions through family sharing. And that's it. So that's basically how you can set up Apple Pay for kids. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.